हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सब? बढ़िया। तो चलो आज का शुरू करते हैं। इस वीडियो में आज हम करेंगे एक्सपेंशन ऑफ नंबर्स यूजिंग एक्सपोनेंट्स एंड लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट्स व्हेन पावर्स आर नेगेटिव। राइट, तो थोड़ा सा रिकॉल करते हैं कि व्हाट इज पावर विथ नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट। like a raised to power m, where a is non-zero integer and m positive. Now I have taken minus m. So in particular, say let a I take is 5 and m as 3. So we'll find out what is 5 raised to power minus 3. So I'll start with 5 raised to power 3. We know that 5 raised to power 3 is 5 multiplied by 5 3 times, right? Next, we'll keep on reducing the power. It was 3, now I'll take 2. 5 raised to power 2 is 5 into 5, 2 times. What is this? This is, I can write this as this divided by 5, as 5 gets cancelled out. Okay, so what is this? This is nothing but 5 raised to power 3 divided by 5. What is 5 raised to power 1? 3, 2, now I will take 1. 5 raised to power 1 is 5. So I can write this as 5 into 5 divided by 5, as 5 gets cancelled out. So what is this? This is the previous number divided by the same base. So what we observe in this, in every step I will write the previous number divided by the base. Okay, so what will be 5 raised to power 0, 3, 2, 1, next is 0. This is the previous number 5 raised to power 1 divided by the base. This is 5 upon 5 is 1. Next is 5 raised to power minus 1. 3, 2, 1, 0 and then it is minus 1. How I will get this? Previous number 5 raised to power 0 divided by this base. Base is same. 5 raised to power 0 is 1, so this is 5. So 5 raised to power minus 1 is 1 upon 5. What is 5 raised to power minus 2? 0 minus 1, then minus 2. So it is the previous number 5 raised to power minus 1 divided by the base. This is 1 upon 5. This number is 1 upon 5 divided by 5. Okay. So this is equal to 1 by 5 divided by 5, means this is 1 by 5 into its multiplicative inverse. So this is 1 upon 5 raised to power 2. Okay. Next, 5 raised to power minus 3. 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, then it will be minus 3. So this is the previous number divided by the base. So this is 5 raised to power minus 2 is 1 upon 5 raised to power 2 divided by 5. So this is 1 upon 5 raised to power 2 multiplied by 1 by 5. So this is 1 upon 5 raised to power 3. Same base, power here is 2, here it is 1. When nothing is written as power, it is 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. So what we have got is 5 raised to power minus 3 is 1 upon 5 raised to power 3. Means this, its value is the multiplicative inverse of 5 raised to power 3. Means we will change the sign of the power and will take multiplicative inverse. Right? So in this a can be any number, 10, 2, any number. M also can be any number. So in general, a raised to power minus m is 1 upon a raised to power m. Next कर रहे हैं, try this on page 194. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. First is 2 raised to power minus 4. So multiplicative inverse of 2 raised to power minus 4 will be 1 upon 2 raised to power minus 4. As we know, if a is any number, what is multiplicative inverse of a? How to get it? To which number I should multiply with a to get 1? That will be multiplicative inverse. So that is nothing but 1 by a. So 1 by this number is the multiplicative inverse of this number. So what is this? This is 1 divided by 2 raised to power minus 4. So this is equal to 1 divided by, what is 2 raised to power minus 4? 2 raised to power minus, a raised to power minus m is 1 upon a raised to power m. अभी हमने सीखा. So 1 divided by 2 raised to power minus 4 is 1 divided by 1 upon 2 raised to power 4. 2 raised to power minus 4 is the multiplicative inverse of 2 raised to power 4. This is 1 by 2 raised to power 4. So this is equal to 1 into 2 raised to power 4. So this is equal to 16. Next is 10 raised to power minus 5. So multiplicative inverse of 10 raised to power minus 5 is 1 upon 10 raised to power minus 5. है ना? So this is equal to 1 divided by 10 raised to power minus 5. This is 1 divided by, what is 10 raised to power minus 5? That is 1 upon 10 raised to power 5. जब नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट है उसको कैसे हमने चेंज करना है? दैट विल बी 1 अपॉन सेम नंबर विथ पॉजिटिव एक्सपोनेंट. ठीक है? सो दिस इज 1 into 10 raised to power 5. So this is equal to 10 raised to power 5, which is 1 lakh. Okay. 7 raised to power minus 2. So multiplicative inverse of 7 raised to power minus 2 is 1 upon the same number. Okay. What is this? Now you are just to simplify this. This is 1 divided by 7 raised to power minus 2. So this is 1 divided by, what is this number? This is 1 upon 7 raised to power 2. Because a raised to power minus m is 1 upon a raised to power m. Right? So this is equal to 1 divided by 1 by 49, 7 into 7. So this is 1 into 49 by 1. उल्टा कर देंगे. So this is 49. Next is 5 raised to power minus 3. So multiplicative inverse of 5 raised to power minus 3 is 1 upon 5 raised to power minus 3. बस अब simply इसको solve कर लेते हैं. That is, this is 1 divided by 5 raised to power minus 3. That means this is 1 divided by 5 raised to power minus 3 is 1 upon, change the sign, 5 raised to power 3. So this is 1 into, उल्टा कर दे, multiplicative inverse. ठीक है? So this is 5 raised to power 3, that is 125. Next is 10 raised to power minus 100. So multiplicative inverse of 10 raised to power minus 100 is 1 upon this number. So this is 1 upon this. Now we are to simply solve it. That is 1 divided by 10 raised to power minus 100. That is 1 divided by, what is this number? This is 1 upon, change the sign. Change the sign of the exponent and same number. So this is 1 into the multiplicative inverse of this number. So this is 10 raised to power 100. So this is 10 raised to power 100. Next, laws of exponents when powers are negative. हमने अभी तक क्या पढ़ा था, फर्स्ट लॉ जो हमने पढ़ा था दैट वाज a raised to power m into a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power n plus n, where what was a? A was non-zero integer और m और n क्या थे? m and n were positive number or zero. Positive number means natural number, right? ये हमने देखा था. Now we'll see, does this law hold true if m and n are negative numbers? Okay, so now we will check, we'll check for m and n when m and n are negative numbers, right? So a is non-zero integer, so there are two cases, one is positive number and another is negative number. 0 we are not to take because it is non-zero. So one number I will take positive, other I will take negative. So all the integers are covered here, non-zero integers. So let a is equal to 2. Here in the second case I will take let a is equal to minus 2. Next we are to take m and n to be negative. So in first case, in both the cases I am to take m and n negative. So I will take m equal to say minus 2 and n equal to minus 3. Here also m equal to minus 2 and n equal to minus 3. So we will start with left hand side. In first case, what is a? 2. What is m? 2 raised to power, m means 2 raised to power minus 2 into a is 2 raised to power n, n is minus 3. So what is this? 2 raised to power minus 2? It is 1 upon 2 raised to power 2. Any number with negative power is 1 upon the same number, you change the sign of the power. Okay, so this is 1 upon 2 raised to power 2 into this is 1 upon 2 raised to power 3. So this is 1 upon 2 into 2, then 1 upon 2 into 2 into 2 3 times. So this is 1 upon 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times. So this is 1 upon 2 raised to power 5. So what is this? This is 2 raised to power minus 5 because a raised to power minus m is 1 upon a raised to power m. That means this is 1 upon a raised to power m is a raised to power minus m. So 1 upon 2 raised to power 5 is 2 raised to power minus 5. So I can write this as minus 2 plus minus 3. So what is 2? 2 is a. What is minus 2? M. What is minus 3? N. So we started with a raised to power m into a raised to power n. So this is equal to a raised to power m plus n. Right? In the next case, a raised to power m into a raised to power n. This is a here is minus 2. M same raised to power minus 2 into a again is minus 2 raised to power n. N is minus 3. So this is 1 upon minus 2 raised to power 2. Same way, only thing is a here is minus 2. So 1 upon minus 2, change the sign, raised to power 2 हो गया, into 1 upon minus 2 raised to power 3. ठीक है ना, a raised to power minus m is 1 upon a raised to power m, खाली इसका साइन चेंज कर देंगे. So this is 1 upon, बाकी सब चीज़ें सी, खाली एक्सपोनेंट का साइन चेंज कर दो. So this is 1 upon minus 2 into minus 2 into 1 upon minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 3 times. So what is this? This is minus 2 raised to power 5. What is this? 1 upon a raised to power m is a raised to power minus m. So 1 upon minus 2 raised to power m is simply change the sign of the exponent and write minus 2 raised to power minus 5. Right? Only thing is I have changed the sign. So this is equal to, what is minus 2? This is a. I can write minus 5 as, okay, I'll do in next step. This is minus 2. I can write this as minus 2 and plus minus 3. So minus 2 is nothing but a raised to power minus 2 is m, minus 3 is n. So in this case also this law is true. तो दोनों केसेस में हमारा ये लॉ ट्रू है. So this law is true even when the powers are negative. Next is a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m minus n. हमने ये देखा हुआ ये लॉ जो है ट्रू है when m and n are whole numbers, means 0 or natural numbers. Now we will see if m and n are negative, does this law hold true? अच्छा, again let a is 2 and m is minus 2 and n is minus 3. Okay, first case will be this. Same, one time I will take a as 2, second I will take a as minus 2. 0 तो हमें लेना नहीं है, non zero, and m and n negative. Same m and n we will take here. So all the numbers are covered here. So what is a raised to power m upon a raised to power n? A here is 2, m here is minus 2, upon a again 2 raised to power n is minus 3, right? So what is 2 raised to power minus 2? This is 1 upon 2 raised to power 2. 1 upon same number with the exponent with the other sign, change of sign. This divided by 2 raised to power minus 3. That means this is 1 upon 2 raised to power 2 divided by, what is 2 raised to power minus 3? This is 1 upon 2 raised to power 3. See, same thing. Okay. So this is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to power 3. जब हम डिवीजन का मल्टीप्लाई करते क्या करते हैं, उसका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स ले लेते हैं. सो इसका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स क्या है? 2 raised to power 3 by 1. So this is 2 into 2 into 2 3 times, and this is 2 into 2 2 times, right? So 2 gets cancelled out and this is 2. I can write this as 2 raised to power minus 2 minus minus 3. ऐसा क्यों लिखा है? क्योंकि मुझे चाहिए रिजल्ट, जब मैंने लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से स्टार्ट किया तो आई वॉन्ट रिजल्ट दिस. a is 2, मुझे चाहिए यहाँ पे m माइनस n. m क्या है? माइनस 2 माइनस 2 माइनस minus 3. This is nothing but minus 2 plus 3. So minus 2 plus 3 is nothing but 1, है ना? This is 2. 2 means 2 raised to power 1. So I can write this as this. So 2 is a, minus 2 is m, minus and n is minus 3. So we started with a raised to power m upon a raised to power n. This is equal to this. So this law holds true for these values. Next we'll see if this is true for these values. So a raised to power m upon a raised to power n is equal to, now instead of 2 when a was 2, now a is 2, so it will be minus 2 raised to power m, m is minus 2 upon a is minus 2 raised to power n, n is minus 3. Okay, so this is, what is minus 2 raised to power minus 2? This is 1 upon minus 2 raised to power 2, same thing. Okay, this is divided by minus 2 raised to power minus 3. So this is 1 upon minus 2 raised to power 2, and this is divided by, what is this? 1 upon minus 2 raised to power 3. So this is 1 upon minus 2 raised to power 2 multiply, इसको उल्टा कर दो, minus 2 raised to power 3 means इसका multiplicative inverse, right? So this is minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 3 times upon minus 2 into minus 2 2 times. So this gets cut, and this is minus 2 raised to power 1. So I can write this as minus 2 raised to power minus 2 minus minus 3. What is minus 2 minus minus 3? That is minus 2 minus into minus plus 3, that is plus 1. So I can write this as like, क्यों लिखा है ऐसे? To get this. What is minus 2 here? Minus 2 is a. What is minus 2? M. Sin m. What is minus 3? N. So this a raised to power m upon a raised to power n is nothing but a raised to power m minus n. So in both the cases this law holds true. So when powers are negative, this law holds true. Third one is a raised to power m again raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m into n. Same we will check for negative values. Positive values we know it is true. Again we will check for both the cases. So a raised to power m again raised to power n, in this case will be a here is 2, raised to power m is minus 2, raised to power n is minus 3. What is this? First we will change this. What is this number raised to power minus 3 is 1 upon the same number and change the sign of the exponent. ठीक है? So this is equal to, this is 2 raised to power minus 2. So this is equal to 1 upon, this is 1 upon 2 minus 2 into 2 minus 2 into 2 minus 2 3 times, right? I can write this as 1 upon 2 minus 2, 1 upon 2 minus 2, 1 upon 2 minus 2, right? What is this? This is 2 raised to power 2, this is 2 raised to power 2, this is 2 raised to power 2, same thing. 1 upon a raised to power minus m is 1 upon am. This implies a raised to power m is 1 upon a raised to power minus m, है ना? You are to change the sign only. So 1 upon 2 raised to power minus 2 is nothing but 2 raised to power 2, right? So this is equal to Here base is same, powers will be added. So this is 2 raised to power 6. I can write this as 2 raised to power minus 2 into minus 3. क्यों लिखा है ऐसे? To get this form. So what is 2 here? 2 is A here. What is minus 2? Minus 2 is M into what is minus 3? That is M. So A raised to power M raised to power N is equal to A raised to power M into N. So this law holds true for these values. अब सेकेंड केस में देखते हैं. A raised to power M raised to power N is equal to A here is minus 2 raised to power M is minus 2 फिर raised to power N is minus 3. अब पहले इसको चेंज करते हैं. This number raised to power minus 3 is 1 upon this number raised to power 3. What? ये हो गया this, right? This is equal to 1 upon minus 2 raised to power minus 2. This is 1 upon minus 2 raised to power minus 2. Then one more time. 3 times now, right? So this is minus 2 raised to power 2. Same thing. 1 upon this number raised to power minus exponent is same as this number with the exponent when you change the sign. So minus 2 raised to power 2 with negative का positive बना दो into minus 2 raised to power 2 into minus 2 raised to power 2. This is equal to minus 2 base same, powers will be added. 2 plus 2 plus 2 हमने उधर देखा है ना. A raised to power M into A raised to power M is A raised to power M plus N when powers are positive. This law is true. So this is minus 2 raised to power 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. I can write this as minus 2 into minus 3. What is minus 2 here? A. What is minus 2? M. What is minus 3? N. So A raised to power M raised to power N is A raised to power M into N. So this law is true even in this case. So for both the cases this law is true. That means when powers are negative, this law holds true. Next is fourth. A raised to power M into B raised to power M is AB raised to power M. पहले A ही था सिर्फ, अब B भी है. Where A and B ले लो आप दोनों, and B are non-zero integers and M we are to take negative. So let A is 2, B is 3. यहाँ हमने पॉजिटिव लिए हैं, यहाँ हम नेगेटिव ले सकते हैं. A इज माइनस 2, कोई एक नेगेटिव ले लो, कोई एक पॉजिटिव ले लो, उससे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा. ठीक है, तो दोनों ही हमने नेगेटिव ले लिए. चलो, व्हाट इज M? M से मैं ले लेती हूँ माइनस 3. हियर ऑल्सो माइनस 3. दोनों केसेस में देख लेते हैं. अगर ये दोनों केसेस में लॉ सही है, यही है ट्रू, तो दिस लॉ इज ऑल्सो true for negative exponents, right? So A raised to power M into B raised to power M is A here is 2, M here is minus 3, B here is 3, M is minus 3. So this is 1 upon 2 raised to power 3. ठीक है, A raised to power minus M is 1 upon A raised to power M. So 1 upon सिर्फ एक्सपोनेंट का साइन चेंज कर दो into 1 upon 3 raised to power 3. So this is, what is this? What is 1 upon 2 raised to power 3? Okay, So this is 1 upon 2 into 2 into 2 3 times into 1 upon 3 into 3 times. ठीक है, I can write this as 1 upon 2 into 3, एक बार इसको ले लूँगी, एक बार इसको, and one more time I'll club this. So 1 upon 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3, right? That means I can write this as ठीक है. So this is 1 upon raised to power 3. Okay, right? So this I can write 1 upon 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 3, 1 2 3. Okay, तो 1 upon 2 into 3 raised to power 3, तो 1 upon 2, this is one number, so this I can write 2 into 3 minus 3. 1 upon a raised to power m is a raised to power minus m, so a here is 2 into 3, 2 into 3 raised to power minus 3. So what is this? A here is 2. What is 3? B. What is minus 3? M. So this is AB raised to power m. किससे स्टार्ट किया था? A raised to power m into B raised to power m. This is equal to AB raised to power m. ठीक है? So this law is true for these values. अब इस केस में देखते हैं. A raised to power m into B raised to power m is A कितना है? minus 2 raised to power m minus 3. B is minus 3 raised to power m minus 3. ठीक है. So this is equal to, what is minus 2 raised to power minus 3? 1 upon, खाली एक्सपोनेंट का साइन चेंज कर दो. सेम वे दिस इज 1 upon minus 3 raised to power 3. So this is 1 upon minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 3 times into 1 upon minus 3 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 3 times, right? This I can write 1 upon, इसको इकट्ठा लिख सकते हैं ना, minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. ठीक है. अब मैं किसी को भी आगे पीछे लिख सकती हूँ, क्योंकि जैसे कम्यूटेटिव लॉ होता है ना, ए बी इज इक्वल टू बी ए होता है, मीन्स ऑर्डर हम चेंज कर सकते हैं. तो मैं इसको पहले इसके साथ लिख लेती हूँ. 1 upon minus 2 into minus 3. नेक्स्ट मैं ये वाला ले लेती हूँ, minus 2 into minus 3. नेक्स्ट इसको इसके साथ ले लेते हैं. ठीक है. तो एक ये पेयर है, वन पेयर इज दिस, वन पेयर इज दिस. तो ये क्या हो गया? 1 upon minus 2 into minus 3 raised to power 3. 1 2 3 times. What is minus 2 here? अच्छा, एक स्टेप और करते हैं. नाउ दिस नंबर इज minus 2 into, इसको ब्रैकेट में डाल दो, ये बड़ी कर दो, इसमें भी ऐसे लिखो. ठीक है. अच्छा, minus 2 into minus 3 raised to power 3. Raised to power, this is minus 3. Yeah. So this is nothing but minus 2 is A, minus 3 is B, and minus 3 is M. स्टार्ट किया था यहाँ से A raised to power m into B raised to power m equal to AB raised to power m. So this law is true even if the power is negative. Next step, fifth, A raised to power m divided by B raised to power m is A by B raised to power m. ठीक है. सेम A, B और m है, तो यही वैल्यूज हम लेते हैं. और दोनों केसेस में देखते हैं, दोनों में ये अगर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड मीन्स दिस लॉ होल्ड्स ट्रू फॉर negative exponents even. So a raised to power m upon b raised to power m is a here is 2, m is minus 3, b here is 3, m is minus 3. So this is what is 2 raised to power 3 minus 3, that is 2 raised to power 1 upon 2 raised to power 3. 1 कर दो और उसका एक्सपोनेंट का साइन बदल दो, डिवाइडेड बाय 3 raised to power minus 3. ठीक है. So this is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to power 3 divided by what is this? This is 1 upon 3 raised to power 3. साइन खाली चेंज करना और 1 upon करना है. So this is equal to 1 upon 2 3 into इसका multiplicative inverse हो जाता है ना, right? So this is 3 raised to power 3 upon 2 raised to power 3. So I can write this as 3 into 3 3 times, 2 into 2 3 times. ठीक है. So this I can write as 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. So this is equal to 3 by 2 raised to power 3. So this is equal to 2 by 3 raised to power minus 1 raised to power 3. See here I have written 3 by 2 equal to 2 by 3 raised to power minus 1. How? देखो, we know that 3 by 2 when multiplied by its inverse which is 2 by 3 is equal to 1. ठीक है. This implies what? This implies 3 by 2 is equal to 1 divided by 2 by 3. Okay. So 1 divided by 2 by 3 means 1 divided by 2 by 3 means 2 by 3 raised to power minus 1. Okay. That is why 3 by 2 is equal to 2 by 3 raised to power minus 1. यहीं पे लगाया. Right. So this is equal to 2 by 3 raised to power minus 1 into 3. We just have proved that a raised to power m raised to power n is a raised to power mn, even if m and n are negative. So this thing we are applying here. So this is 2 by 3 minus 1 into 3. So this is 2 by 3 raised to power minus 3. What is 2 here? A. What is b here? 3. What is minus 3? That is m. So this is raised to power m. Okay. So कहाँ से स्टार्ट किया? यहाँ से a raised to power m upon b raised to power m is equal to a upon b raised to power m. So इस केस में भी this law is true. अब हम देखते हैं इस केस में हम कैसे करेंगे. So a raised to power m upon b raised to power m. A here is minus 2, m here is minus 3, b is minus 3, m is minus 3. Okay. So this is minus 2 raised to power minus 3 is 1 upon minus 2 raised to power 3. खाली 1 upon कर देते हैं और इसका साइन चेंज करते हैं. डिवाइडेड बाय minus 3 raised to power minus 3. So this is 1 upon minus 2 raised to power 3 divided by 1 upon minus 3 raised to power 3. माइनस पावर है तो इसको 1 अपॉन पॉजिटिव पावर कर दो, सभी बाकी सभी सेम. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन माइनस 2 रेज़ टू पावर 3 डिवाइड का क्रॉस करेंगे और इसका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स, इसका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स है, ये ऊपर चला जाएगा, 1 नीचे आ जाएगा, ठीक है। सो दिस इज माइनस 3 रेज़ टू पावर 3 upon minus 2 raised to power 3. So this I can write minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 upon minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So this I can write minus 3 in by minus 2 into minus 3 by minus 2 into minus 3 by minus 2 3 times. So this is minus 3 by minus 2 3 times, right? This I can write minus 2 by minus 3 raised to power minus 1 and raised to power 3. सेम जो अभी हमने किया था 3 by 2 is equal to 2 by 3 raised to power minus 1, सेम. So what is, अच्छा, this is equal to minus 2 by 3 minus 1 into 3 minus 3. Same law is applicable here if power is even negative. We have proved this law. A raised to power m raised to power n is a raised to power m into n, even if m and n are negative. So one here is negative and another n is positive. So m into n is minus 1 into 3 minus 3. Okay, what is minus 2? That is a. This is minus a. What is minus 3? That is b. What is minus 3? Here it is m. So यहाँ से शुरू किया था a raised to power m divided by b raised to power m. This is equal to a by b raised to power m. तो दोनों केसेस में ये लॉ प्रूव हो जाता है. दैट मीन दिस लॉ होल्ड्स गुड इवन फॉर पावर नेगेटिव पावर्स. सो वी हैव सीन दीज लॉज आर ट्रू फॉर नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट्स इवन. दैट मीन्स नेगेटिव and whole numbers, 0 and positive. That means when exponents are integers, these laws hold true. That means when a and b are non-zero integers and m and n are also integers, powers are also integers, these laws hold true. Next है expansion of numbers using exponents. Suppose मेरे पास number है 1425. This I am to write in expanded form. तो हमें पता है this is equal to 1 into 1000 plus 4 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 5. अगर मुझे एक्सपोनेंट फॉर्म में लिखना है तो क्या करेंगे, ये सब को मैं उसमें लिख दूंगी एक्सपोनेंट्स में. दिस इज 1000 is 10 raised to power 3 plus 4 into 100 10 raised to power 2 plus 2 into 10 plus 5. ठीक है, ये कैसे लिखा जाता है, जैसे हम टेबल बनाते थे ना पहले, वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड्स, 1000, 10,000. कोई भी नंबर है, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम राइट से लिखना शुरू करो. वंस से शुरू करो, यहाँ से 5 आ जाएगा वंस के नीचे, 2 टेंस, 4 आ जाएगा 100 के नीचे, 1 आएगा 1000 के नीचे. अब लिखना शुरू करो लेफ्ट से, 1000. सो 1 into 1000 है 10 raised to power 3. 400, 4 into 100 means 10 raised to power 2. 2 tens plus 2 into 10 plus 5. ठीक है. अब सपोज मुझे नंबर लिखना है 1425.36. 1425 तो वैसे ही लिखा जाएगा. कोई भी नंबर जैसे ये है ना, ये हमारा 1425.00 होता है. जैसे राइट में पॉइंट लगा के कितने भी जीरोस हम लगा सकते हैं. तो दिस इज सेम. अब इसके लिए क्या करेंगे, इसके लिए इस तरफ का टेबल भी लिख लेंगे. पॉइंट ये होता है 1/10, then it is 100th, then it is 1000s. अब पॉइंट से लेफ्ट में हम राइट से लिखना शुरू करते हैं। पॉइंट के जो राइट वाले डिजिट हैं उनको हम लेफ्ट से लिखना शुरू करते हैं, मतलब 3 लिखेंगे पहले 1/10 के नीचे, नेक्स्ट 6 100 के नीचे। अब इसकी एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म क्या होगी? एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म इज 1000, 1 into 1000। नेक्स्ट हम एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में लिखेंगे, पहले एक बार सीधा ऐसे ही लिखते हैं, प्लस 4 into 100 प्लस 2 into 10s प्लस 5 into 1s प्लस 3 into 1/10, ठीक है, प्लस 6 into 100। ओके, अब हम लिखते हैं एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में। वो क्या होगा? 1 into 1000 क्या है? 10⁻³ प्लस 4 into 100 क्या है? 10⁻², प्लस 2 into 10⁻1। अब आप नोटिस करो इसमें जो पावर्स हैं एक एक कम होती चली जाएगी। 3 2 1, नेक्स्ट शुड बी 0, प्लस 5 into 10⁻0। 1 क्या होता है? 10⁻0 होता है ना, दैट इज वाई ये हमने इसमें 1 आता है ये, क्योंकि 10⁻0 इज 1 ओनली, प्लस 3 into what is 1/10, that is 10⁻⁻1। क्यों? हमने लॉस किए हैं ना, a⁻⁻1 इज a1/a⁻m। इसमें a क्या है? 10, पावर m क्या है? 1, तो 1/10 पावर 1 है, तो इसीलिए हम इधर लिखा नहीं है ना, तो दिस इज इक्वल टू 10⁻⁻a⁻1, तो -1, 10⁻⁻1, और ये है 10⁻⁻2। सेम ऐसे ही, कैसे? 1 जो 100 है, दिस इज 1/10², ठीक है। जैसे 1/10 10⁻⁻1 है, तो दिस इज 10⁻⁻2, ऊपर जाके पावर माइनस, ठीक है। अब इसमें हम इसको ओमिट कर देते हैं, इसको। क्यों? क्योंकि 10⁻0 1 होता है ना, तो 5 into 1 इज 5 ओनली, तो इसको लिखने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। ये सिर्फ इसलिए लिखा है कि इसमें कोई गलती ना हो। आप लिखने के बाद चेक करो, 3 2 1 0 -1 -2, तो सब ठीक है। अब 10⁻1 हम ओमिट कर सकते हैं, तो दिस इज द एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म। ये होगा आंसर। नेक्स्ट करते हैं हम ट्राई दिस ऑन पेज 194। एक्सपैंड द फॉलोइंग नंबर यूजिंग एक्सपोनेंट्स। फर्स्ट है 1025.63। तो सेम हम पहले रफ में इधर टेबल बना लेंगे, वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड्स, 1000, 10,000, और इस तरफ 1/10, 100, और नेक्स्ट हो जाएगा 1000, ठीक है। अब पॉइंट के इधर वाला स्टार्ट फ्रॉम राइट। राइट क्या है? 5, वंस के नीचे लिखो 5, 2 आ जाएगा टेंस के नीचे, हंड्रेड्स के नीचे 0, और 1000 के नीचे 1। अब पॉइंट के बाद क्या करना है? लेफ्ट से स्टार्ट करना है। 1/10 के नीचे आ जाएगा 6, और 100 के नीचे आ जाएगा 3। सो एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म इज 1 into 1000, 1 into 1000 प्लस 0 into 100 प्लस 2 into 10s प्लस 5 into 1 प्लस 6 into 1/10, 1/10 is 1/10, प्लस 3 into 100, 1/100। अब इसको एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में लिखेंगे। दिस इज 1 into 10⁻³ प्लस 0 इंटू 100, इसको नहीं लिखो बट एक बार आप लिख लो इसलिए कि पावर्स देखते हैं। 10 रेज टू पावर 2 प्लस 2 इंटू 10 रेज टू पावर ये 1 है, प्लस 5 इंटू 10 रेज टू पावर ये 0, 3 2 1 0, प्लस 6 इंटू 10 रेज टू पावर माइनस 1. 1/10 I can write as कैसे हमने पढ़ रखा है, नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट से हमने पढ़ा ना, a रेज टू पावर माइनस m इज 1/a रेज टू पावर m. तो 1/10 m इसमें क्या है 1, जब कुछ नहीं है मीन्स इट्स पावर इज 1. तो दिस इज इक्वल टू a रेज टू पावर माइनस 1 मीन्स 10 रेज टू पावर माइनस 1. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज प्लस 3 इंटू 10 रेज टू पावर माइनस 2. क्यों? 1/100 इज 1/10 स्क्वायर. तो 1/10 रेज टू पावर 2 इज 10 रेज टू पावर माइनस 2. ओके, बट आंसर में आपने क्या लिखना है, दिस इज इक्वल टू 1 इंटू 10 रेज टू पावर 3 प्लस 0 इंटू एनी नंबर इज 0. तो इसको आप ओमिट कर दो. वो इसलिए पहले लिखा है कि हम गलती ना करें कि 3 के बाद 2 इधर ना आ जाए. ठीक है. अभी प्लस 2 इंटू 10 रेज टू पावर 1 को 10 लिख दो, प्लस 5. अब इसको भी आप ओमिट कर दो. क्यों? क्योंकि 10 रेज टू पावर 0 है 1, 10 रेज टू पावर 0 इज 1. सो 5 इंटू 10 रेज टू पावर 0 इज 5 इंटू 1 इज इक्वल टू 5. सिंपली 5 लिखो, प्लस 6 इंटू 10 रेज टू पावर माइनस 1 प्लस 3 इंटू 10 रेज टू पावर माइनस 2. दिस इज द आंसर. ये मैंने अभी 3 स्टेप्स में करा जस्ट कि आपको एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए. जब आप करते रहेंगे तो प्रैक्टिस से आप सीधा ये कर सकते हैं. बट आप ऐसे करोगे तो आपकी मिस्टेक नहीं होगी. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट है 1256.249. सेम टेबल वैसे ही हमारा बनेगा. पॉइंट के इधर वाले हम राइट से लिखना शुरू करेंगे. वंस के नीचे आएगा 6, 5 आएगा टेंस के नीचे, 2 आएगा हंड्रेड्स के नीचे, देन 1 आ जाएगा थाउजेंड के नीचे. पॉइंट के इधर वाला हो गया. अब पॉइंट के इधर वाला शुरू करते हैं. इसके लिए हमने लेफ्ट से शुरू करना है. तो 2 आ जाएगा 1/10 के नीचे, नेक्स्ट 4 आ जाएगा 100 के नीचे, 9 आएगा 1000 के नीचे. और ज़्यादा नंबर होते तो आगे चले जाते 1, 10,000. ठीक है. सो अब इसकी एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म लिखते हैं हम. दिस इज 1000. सो 1 इंटू 10 रेज टू पावर 3. ठीक है. 0 कुछ नहीं है ना, तो डायरेक्ट हम लिख लेते हैं. प्लस 200, 2 इंटू 10 रेज टू पावर 2 प्लस 5 टेंस, 5 इंटू 10 प्लस 6 वंस 6. ठीक है. आप ऐसे भी देख सकते हो पावर एक एक कम हो रही है. 3 2 10 की कोई पावर नहीं मीन्स 1, और इधर 0 आनी चाहिए क्योंकि इंटू 10 रेज टू पावर 0 आ रहा है ना. ठीक है. प्लस 2 इंटू 1/10 तो 2 इंटू 10 रेज टू पावर माइनस 1. अभी किया था ना. 2 इंटू 1/10 इज 2 इंटू 1/10. So this is 2 into 10 raised to power minus 1 plus 4 into 100th 10 raised to power minus 2. अब देखो एक एक पावर कम होती जाएगी. 3 2 1 0 -1 -2. Next will be 10 raised to power minus 3 9 into 10 raised to power minus 3. 1000 में 3 होते हैं ना, तो दिस इज 10 raised to power minus 3. अब इसमें हमने ये नहीं लिखना, इसको हम ओमिट कर सकते हैं क्योंकि 10 रेज टू पावर 0 होता है 1, और 10 रेज टू पावर 1 1 ओमिट कर दो। तो दिस इज द आंसर।